Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's setup is about counting. Now when you're introducing counting to young children, especially toddlers, using worksheets, it can get really overwhelming for them. I'm sure no child really wants to sit up at the table and really do the actual book and pen work. So hands-on activities work great for toddlers. So let's see what I have for you today. All that you will need is some t-shirts of your child and some manipulators for counting. So in this bowl I have some pom-poms. You can use flat stones like these, which are used for decorating pots. You can use actual buttons, but these are jumbo buttons for lacing, and a dice. Now you can use a normal play dice which is available, but if you get something like this in the market, it is really fun and it adds a fun element to the whole counting process because it's really big and it really rolls very well. So let's see how we can play this. So all the child has to do is roll the dice and I get a value 2. I take 2 buttons and I place it on the t-shirt. 1, 2. Roll the dice again. Let's see a different number. 4. Now when I roll the dice again, you have an option of either removing the existing buttons or letting them be there and just adding to the button. So you can also introduce the possibility of teaching your child addition. So if I have a value 4, I can do 1, 2, 3 and 4. So earlier I had 2 buttons and now I put 4 buttons. So can you count how many buttons I have on my t-shirt? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 and 4 makes 6. So you also introduce the possibility of addition. The same way you can also introduce subtraction. So you can put some X number of buttons already on the t-shirt, roll the dice, and I have 1. So I take away 1 button. So how many buttons left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again roll 6, but I have only 5. Can I take away 6? No. So let me roll the dice again and I get a value 3. So 1, 2, 3. I take away 3 buttons. You roll the dice again you get a value 6. Not possible. So you keep rolling the dice till you get a value. So 1, 2 and you take away. So there are no buttons left. So with this simple activity you can teach them simple counting, where just on the dice you do 1-to-1 correspondence and you place the number of buttons corresponding to the number of dots, or you can even do addition wherein you have 2 and then you place more number of buttons, so it gives you addition, or you again roll the dice and take away those many buttons, so you have the concept of subtraction. So this one activity can be used for both counting, addition and subtraction.